What you're going to notice in the video is just that her mouth is open. The way she is breathing, the way she is unconscious, how she's laying in the bed looks very normal for someone who is actively dying. I can say wholeheartedly that this person is experiencing peace and is not having any pain or suffering in this moment, despite the fact that she looks like she may feel a little short of breath. You'll also notice at the very end, she takes one last gasp. Also very normal. So just on a side note, the family said that 4 days prior to this video, this patient experienced her terminal lucidity, which is the rally or the surge I talk about in my other videos, where she had a really good day. She had a burst of energy, she had a really good day, and then 4 days later, this video was taken, which she died 12 hours later. So that's very, very common for the dying patient. And also about a few weeks earlier, she had been talking to her sister who had died 30 years earlier. So this woman in this video is following the direct path and the direct progression of death and dying. So trigger warning, here is the video. Okay, so if you noticed in that video, she had oxygen in, which probably was not totally necessary, but a lot of times hospice companies will have the person on oxygen. You saw that her mouth was hanging open. That's because our muscles are so relaxed, we don't close our mouths. So we have a lot of mouth breathing. She was breathing so shallow, you could barely see her breath until the very, very end when she took that gasp, which is also all very normal. So this is a very normal and peaceful death and dying video. So the next video, we see a lot of the same thing, but you'll notice the eyes more. So this next video, you'll see her eyes are open and fixed at the ceiling. You'll notice her mouth is open again, like the last video. I think in the next video, you'll really see the changes in breathing a little better, because you can see her breath more, her chest rising and falling, and you'll hear terminal secretions, which is that death rattle. So trigger warning, here is the next video.